Hey friends, I am here in front of a bank-owned home in Chesapeake, Grassfield area, priced at $345,000. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3,140 square feet. Kind of a unique layout. Let's go check it out. So walk in the front door. It's kind of typical here. It's some hardwood floors, could use a little restoration. A formal living room to your right, dining room to your left, and then the stairs going upstairs, and there's another set of stairs around back. So family room down here. Kind of see through the window there, the swimming pool in the backyard. Then goes into the kitchen here. Decent sized kitchen with an island. Seeing some sort of moisture issue right there, needs to be taken care of, but again, great price on this house out here. This other area here, there's a side loading garage in the back, decent sized 2-car garage. See that? And so we got the laundry room here, you've got a side door here and another side door here. This side goes out to the pool, and you have a full bathroom down here. These stairs over here go to the room over the garage, which this would be like the 4th bedroom. We've got a couple closets in here. And this is kind of unique. I've not seen this before. So we've got a stairway here that then goes into this little room here. I guess this could be used as like an office for the master bedroom, because it's right off of the master bedroom. So you do have a door that goes from this room to the room over, then another door that goes into the master bedroom. It's a master bedroom, decent sized closet here, another one at the other end. The decent sized master bath with a separate tub and shower. Decent sized bedroom. Kind of interesting color walls, sort of what you call that? It's bluish. Then another decent sized closet here. We feed out into the hallway where there's 2 additional bedrooms. So here's the original stairs that we're coming in from the front. And so then you've got the full bathroom here also. And then we've got a purple bedroom in the back here. And another blue bedroom here in the front. And the backyard has a large in-ground swimming pool, and it's a beautiful shade of green. So if you're interested in taking a look at this home or any homes in Hampton Roads, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, hit me up on Facebook. Let me know how I can help. Talk to you soon.